हनीबीन आंतरगांव फुटबॉल सर्त दवरल्या. दक्षिण गोंयांत सालसेत फुटबॉल क्लब ही सर्त घेता जाल्यार उत्तर गोंयांत किटला स्पोर्ट्स क्लब ही सर्त घेता. हनीबी फ्रेंडशीप कप सर्तीत उत्तर आनी दक्षिण गोंयांत मेळून वट्ट 32 पंगड वांटेकार जावपाचे आसात. सर्तीचे खाशेलेपण म्हळ्यार पयल्या रावंडांतल्या जैता सावन पंगडाक इनामां मेळपाची वेवस्था केल्या. सोमारा सावन किटला सर्तीच्यो मॅची सुरू जातल्यो.
This year we have decided to organize it at Kitla ground in Aldona and Rosary ground at Naveli. There will be total 16 teams each in South Goa as well as 16 teams in North Goa. There will be two finals, first of all one of South Goa, one of North Goa, and then we'll have a mega final that is fixed on 28 October at Rosary ground, Naveli. From day one, when you play the first round, if you are the winner, you will get 2,000 rupees. The second round, if you win, you will get 4,000 rupees. Even if you lose at the semi-final, you are getting 6,000 rupees, the team. If you lose for the quarter-final, you are getting 2,000 rupees. And if you go to the final, first of all, 6 plus, if you are the winner, you will get 20,000. If you are the runner, you will get 15,000. So if you are runner also, you are getting 21,000 rupees. And if you are winner, you are getting 26,000 rupees.
Individual football is the life and the roots of the goal of football. And I think this type of football has to be encouraged. Because you can see a lot of people going for individual football. And there are more than 100 tournaments involved. And they are all well publicized. We thank Hanibi for taking this initiative for so many years. And on behalf of Salset Football Club and Kitla Sports Club, I would like to thank them for sponsoring the tournament and making it possible.
माटोळी म्हळ्यार चवथीचें खाशेलेपण. रानवटी आनी लागवडीची फळफळावळ आतां पयली भशेन मेळना आनी परवडना जाल्ल्यान कांय लोकांनी शारांनी कृत्रीम माटोळ्यो सुरू केल्या. मात गांवांनी अजुनूय पारंपारीक माटोळेचें चित्र बदलूंक ना. हालीं माटोळेच्यो सर्तीय जातात. माटोळेचो आकार केदो, तिच्या मांडणेंत कला कितली आनी कितले तरेची फळफळावळ हाचेर माटोळीची सर्तीची सुवात थारता. आमचे व्हिडियोत पळयात सर्तींतल्यो माटोळ्यो वट्ट 300 तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकावंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकावंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यानी खबरां चित्रां हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.